In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export CTA performance data from Hubspot. Whether you're managing marketing campaigns or just curious about how your call to action buttons are performing, this guide will help you access valuable insights quickly and easily. Let's dive right into the steps to get you started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot homepage. This is where you'll begin your data export journey. Once you're on the Hubspot homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials and that will take you straight to your Hubspot account dashboard. Now from your Hubspot home, your next destination is the marketing section. You can access this by navigating through the main menu. Once you click on marketing, you'll be presented with various options. What you need to do next is click on CTAs or calls to action. This is a crucial step because it takes you directly to where all your CTA data is stored. Once you are in the CTA section, you should see a list of all your CTAs. Here is where the magic happens. Look for an option that says Actions. It's usually signified by a gear icon or a drop-down menu. Clicking on this will open up several actions, and among them you'll find Export Data. Now click on Export Data. This action will initiate the process of compiling all the performance data associated with your CTAs. Depending on the volume of data, this might take a few moments. You'll typically be prompted to select a format for your export. Choose the one that best fits your needs, whether it's CSV or Excel. Once you've made your selection, the export process will continue, and soon the data file will be downloaded to your computer. Keep an eye on your download folder, or wherever you typically store your files, it should appear there. And that's it, you've successfully exported your CTA performance data from Hubspot. Keep in mind that this exported data can be incredibly insightful. It lets you analyze which CTAs are driving engagement, helping you make data-driven decisions for future marketing strategies. Consider sharing this data with your team or integrating it with other analytic tools for even deeper insights. Thank you for watching today's video on exporting CTA performance data from HubSpot. Stay tuned for more tutorials that will empower your business marketing efforts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy analyzing.